Every teacher knows the feeling, the moment a lesson either clicks into focus or starts to unravel. The difference? Structure. Predictable routines, clear expectations, and time to think. At Dixons, progress doesn't happen by chance. It's built. In our last episode, we explored the first two of our 12 principles, the foundations. Now, we move to the next three, the scaffolding. Principle 3, clear, flexible routines. How we greet students as they cross the threshold of our classrooms and ensure a strong start and exit to lesson matters. Learning postures, tracking the speaker, natural state. These rhythms create predictability. Predictability frees attention. Attention drives focus. Principle 4. Imagine during a lesson on fractions, the teacher asks a question that sits right at the edge of students' current understanding, hitting the sweet spot of desirable difficulty. After giving thinking time, they cold call a number of students, then show a selection of whiteboard answers under the visualizer. Misconceptions are spotted instantly, and the teacher reteaches a challenging concept while the class is fully engaged. This defines Principle 4, effective formative assessment. Cold call, show call, review now, tools that give teachers instant access to student thinking and the power to respond in the moment. Principle 5, strategic retrieval practice. Do now activities at the beginning of lessons to access prior knowledge, whiteboard quizzes revisiting past work. Each retrieval pulls knowledge forward, strengthens memory, and builds mental models. The result of this? Routines, assessment, and retrieval work together. The classroom is calm, students are engaged, and learning is durable. It sticks. Teachers can respond in real time, and progress happens for everyone, not just a few. Next, continuing the path to excellence through modelling and scaffolding. At Dixons, we're committed to the idea that great practice belongs to everyone. Subscribe to our Dixons open source YouTube channel to learn more. It's free, it's open source.